Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these sweater pumpkin nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color I'm going to start off with is La Elegance's Me, Me, Me. This is actually from their new winter collection. And I have swatches of that collection. It's either the video that went up right before this or it's going to be posted right after. So if it's already up, I'll link it down below. Otherwise, subscribe to see that swatch video. But this color is a fine holographic gold glitter, and I'll be putting this on my pinky and my thumb. And the next color I'm going to use is La Elegance's Alato Gelato, a nice nude color that I'm going to use on my middle finger. And this next color I'm going to use is La Elegance's Ringmaster, this pretty olive green. It was from a fall collection a couple years ago, one of my favorite fall colors. I'm going to be doing this on my middle finger as well as my pointer finger. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of the gold glitter, Me, Me, Me. And then I'm going to throw in these chunkies. They're not super big. They are like a medium chunky. This is from Glitter Heaven, Australia. This is called All About the Bling. And this is a holographic gold glitter that's just a little bit chunkier. So I place this glitter into the wet gel and cure this in. And I do a second coat of all the other colors. And now I'm going to go in on my middle finger. I'm going to go in with an Argyle design. I'll be using the La Elegance's swirly brush as well as Ringmaster for the color. I'm going to start by creating diamonds going down the center of the nail. And this nail design was inspired by Katie Dutra. I will insert her picture here as well as link her Instagram and her YouTube tutorial for this down below. She did a plaid version of this and in a different color scheme, but I thought it was so cute with the pumpkin and the sweater design. But I wanted to do Argyle since I already had a plaid pumpkin design up this year. Go check out that video if you haven't already. So I wanted to change it up a little bit for this design. And now on my ring finger, I'm going to go in with Lotto Gelato, and I'm going to draw out the pumpkin shape and fill that in. And I'm going to go in and use the Light Elegance's stripey brush, and I'm going to use Me, and create lines like X's going through the diamonds to create that argyle design. Now this glitter isn't very concentrated, so I definitely could have used a more concentrated gold like the Beamy Gold Leaf Gel, but I wanted to stick with the same colors, so I used this glitter and it worked out okay. And now, even though the design isn't complete, we are going to move on to top coat. I'm going to top coat all of my nails using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So now that all of the nails are top coated and I've removed the tacky layer, now we can go in and do the sweater design. It's really important that you top coat the nails first before you go in and do your sweater design, because you cannot top coat after you do the sweater design, and you'll see why. But for my pointer finger, I'm going to do a full nail of the sweater. I'm going to use that same Ringmaster color, and I'm going to go in and draw little dashes and do lines down the side. Now, Katie recommends that you do this in step, like do one row of the lines, then get that cured, then do the next one. But I apparently like to live on the dangerous side, and I decided to do the whole design first before I went in and cured it. And so once you have your sweater design how you like it, whether you do it in steps or you do the full nail, before you actually cure it in the lamp, you're going to take some clear acrylic powder. So I have this one from Young Nails, and you're going to sprinkle this on top of the wet gel. And this is going to cure it to a matte finish and texture. This is actually a really cool technique. I believe I did a video of this last year during holiday season, so I'll link that video down below. Make sure to check that out as well if you haven't seen it already. And now we're going to move on to the pumpkin nail, and I'm going to do a sweater design on the pumpkin using that same color. And then once I get that cured, I go back in with Light Elegance's I Clove You, which is a medium brown shade, and I'm going to put in the stem of the pumpkin as well as a little swirly on the side and do the same like sweater technique on that. And so here is how my nails came out. Now I love this color combination, especially for fall, with the olive green and the nude and a gold glitter. I think I did some sort of similar combination of colors last year, and so I'll put a picture of whatever I did with this color combination in here. But I love the color combination. I think they are very fun. My pumpkin doesn't look quite as pumpkin-y as I would have hoped. It kind of looks more like an apple to me. But you guys will have to let me know down below what you guys thought of this tutorial. definitely check out Katie's tutorial. She does it 10 times better than I did it. I was just using her as my inspiration. She is great. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked this tutorial, something fun and different. And make sure to subscribe for more tutorials coming up soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!